Hi there, it's George. It has been a long time since I didn't show you update on the bamboo plants which I have in the ground here in the nature, and I come here to water my bamboo. And if I'm here, I decided to make a special video update on the bamboo. And this in my back is golden bamboo which I planted and made a video. Links are in description, and yeah, you will see. And now it was grow, and I planted as well a bamboo which is, I don't know the name, but rhizomes I planted in the ground, and they started to grow. They grow not very tall, but anyway, and I have to show you how much they did grow. And I had no time to take care of my bamboo plants at the time, because I am busy. I have only a weekend time, and really I want really to show you update how they looking, and finally let's see. Well, if you remember this golden bamboo, it was with dry leaves when I planted in springtime, and now the leaves are like green, but it's autumn and some leaves are getting yellow. I think that is okay, and I will see how it will overwinter this bamboo. So around the root system, I put a soft dust mulch to grow, to have some, to keep moist, and then we'll see how we'll grow this bamboo. Next, I wait for the new shoots. The recent shoot, it was grow this one, and quite thick for me. Awesome. So we'll see next how it will look this bamboo after I will take a well for it. And I have to put some compost on it and we'll see. Next are the bamboo which I propagated by rhizomes, from Italy, and I planted them here and they did grow quite tall, and we'll see. And then the next year maybe will grow much thick and tall, and we'll see. This shoot was grow so tall like me, and we'll see. But some leaves did dry, as you can see here. It's shade or stuff like that, but it's okay. And I water it today, if you can notice. And this, it have wet leaves, as you can see, and they're looking green, and the stem looks like kind of yellow as well, like golden bamboo, or I am not sure. And another one is here, and I have to put a support on it too. And all the leaves are green, not like on the golden bamboo. Maybe it's another variety. And another bamboo was same variety which I propagated by rhizomes, and this one I put next to a river, a small river, but the water not squeezing so lot now in autumn because no rains, that's it. And here, so looking this bamboo, these shoots did grow tall, as you can see, almost like me, but not so tall. And in this place is like shade, and where leaves so looks like, well, maybe that because I didn't water it at the time, I'm not sure, but they looking great, these shoots which survived. And in springtime were a lot of shoots, but not all survived. Anyway, we have to water at the time. Well, this is mosso bamboo which I grew from seed, and now it was grow quite big when I potted in this big pot, you remember? Well, some of these shoots did grow, and it's big right now. But I wait for more to grow more big, look at it. Such tall. Also, some new shoots I noticed here. 1, 2, a few shoots, and we'll see. As well, I have another bamboo in this pot, as well mosso bamboo, and on it was grow shoots like this, and more. And a new one is here, as you can see. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the bamboo video. And I will catch you next time. See you. Bye bye.